Okay, children, today we are going to learn a technique in subtraction with zeros. Sometimes uh, you are confusing subtraction 500 minus 265. So in this case we have to take borrows, 2 times borrows. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So it is little bit hard. So for that we use a simple technique. So subtract 1 from 500, how much? 499. And subtract 1 from 265, 264. Now do subtraction. 9 minus 4, 5. 9 minus 6,
5.
3. 4 minus 2, 2. So 235 is the right answer. So I hope you understood. Next, who will do this? Only one. Only one. Yes, will come. Subtraction is not this way. This way.
Sir, yes, sir.
Okay, wait. Yes.
సార్ వీళ్ళందరూ ఊరుకొచ్చారు.
Yes. Yes, right here. This answer right here. Children, how much is 600 minus 348? 252. So this is a very easy way. Comparatively borrowing. Yes. So you use this technique to do easily. Okay. Right. Claps for SSB.